If you love vitamin C, this video is for you. Thank you so much, Web Health Company, for sending me this product. Now let me tell you guys a little bit more about the company.
It's actually a Nepal-based online health and medical pharmacy and has set its course on continuous development on digital healthcare services in order to make healthcare more accessible and affordable to the Nepalese people. Now, isn't that wonderful? And with that intention, they also started their beauty line, which is Body and Soul. And let's get right into it. Now talking about the brand itself, right? Body and Soul is a personal care brand, which, they just want to be an affordable, a reasonable brand, but without compromising on quality. And who wouldn't want that? And like I said before, it's cruelty-free, it's 100% toxin-free, and it's one of those brands that, they really want to be a friend and they really want to accommodate you as a client, as a customer, and I'm super excited about that. And with all these things in mind, they have launched their first product, which is the Body and Soul Vitamin C Serum.
The Body and Soul Vitamin C Serum is quick absorbing vitamin C serum that makes your skin smooth, radiant, and plump in no time.
Now talking about the vitamin C itself, it is FSSAI approved, the brand itself. And vitamin C is very important. Who wouldn't want glowing, radiant skin? And with this Body and Soul Vitamin C Serum, it's absolutely possible. I've used this product so many times. It's not icky, it's not sticky, and I absolutely love this product.
Formulated with the goodness of vitamin C, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, this is the boost your skin is looking for. Now talking about this product, this has 20% vitamin C, which is not only a brightening agent, but also a strong antioxidant. It also focuses on glow and hyperpigmentation. It has vitamin E, which gives your skin a very supple effect, and it is infused with hyaluronic acid, which is water-based and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains mandarin, which boosts performance of vitamin C and collagen production in the skin.
So this is the bottle itself, and I love how it comes in a darker bottle. I've used this product many times before, so I really love the consistency. So I just want to show it to you guys on camera itself. Woo! Do you see that? See how runny that is? Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Oh, it smells so good. It's not like it's not heavy fragrance. It's almost like, very light, almost citrusy, and look at the consistency. Do you see that glow on my hand? Now this is what it looks on my face, and after some time the liquid, this vitamin C, it's absorbed, and you can just see there's a bit of liquid, just like a bit of sheen or a glow on my skin. So I really like this under my makeup as well throughout the day. Before I apply my SPF and my moisturizer, I like to use this. So yeah, definitely, but just make sure that whenever you're using vitamin C, make sure you have a very good SPF. You're applying it at least 3 to 4 times a day, because it's always good when you're using vitamin C to use SPF. So yeah, and look at that. Now it's just been like what, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and it's already dried up. And there is no, some vitamin C's, they have this really tacky, icky feeling. This doesn't. So amazing. You can even sometimes, like when I'm lazy and I'm running out of time, I also like to take a couple of pumps, mix it with my moisturizer, and I'll just apply it. However, if you're doing it, just apply this, take a little bit, apply it on your skin, leave it for about a minute, and then apply your moisturizer, because this soaks in really fast. And with trying new products, any new product, whether it's skincare or beauty products, always remember to do a patch test. Apply it on the back of your hand or on your, right here on the jawline, and leave it for 24 hours and see how you feel about it and how your skin reacts. However, this is great for all skin types, but if you have very hypersensitive skin, this isn't the right product for you.
Also, if you are not female and you're watching this video, just to let you guys know, this is a gender neutral brand. So please don't feel, like, oh, makita ho ya, blah blah blah, obviously this is a gender neutral brand, and definitely you can apply this as well. And I'm pretty sure I know that Rajat's gonna steal this from me any second now, so yeah.
And that would be all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day or evening or night whenever you're watching it, and stay safe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Definitely, if you did, if you liked how the product sounded, give it a try. Let me know how you feel, and all the information about where you can get it, what the cost is, you can find it down below.